In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to empty trash in Evernote. Whether you're a seasoned Evernote user or someone just getting started, knowing how to manage your trash can be a valuable skill. Cleaning out your Evernote trash not only keeps your workspace tidy, but can also free up space and improve the overall performance of your account. So, let's dive in and take a look at how you can declutter your digital files with just a few simple steps. First, you're going to want to navigate over to the trash, which you'll find conveniently located at the bottom of your notebooks list in the sidebar. Now, if you have numerous notebooks, you might have to scroll down a bit to find it, but it's usually nestled at the end, right after all your active notebook categories. The trash section is designed to catch all notes you've deleted, acting as a safety net, just in case you change your mind about needing them later on. Once you're in the trash area, you'll be able to see a list of all the notes that have found their way there. Take a moment to glance through this list. It can be quite reassuring to know that these notes will stick around until you decide they're no longer needed, so you have some time to reconsider any hasty deletions. When you're ready to make the final decision to clean house, focus your attention on the top right corner of the note list. You'll see a button that says Empty Trash. Clicking this button will permanently eliminate all the notes currently sitting in your trash folder. It's important to remember that this action cannot be undone. Once you empty the trash, those notes are gone for good, so make sure there's nothing you want to keep before you proceed. Now, when you click Empty Trash, you might be prompted to confirm your choice with a pop-up. This is an important step that Evernote has implemented to prevent accidental permanent deletion, so take a moment to consider this final confirmation prompt. It's a last chance for you to double-check and ensure there are no notes you'll regret losing forever. And there you have it. You've successfully emptied the trash in Evernote. Having an organized digital space not only boosts productivity, but also helps in keeping your thoughts, ideas, and projects streamlined. Regularly clearing out your Evernote trash can be an excellent habit to maintain a clutter-free workspace. So, take some time at regular intervals to perform this simple upkeep task. In no time, you'll notice a significant improvement in how you interact with your Evernote environment. Keep practicing these steps, and you'll master managing your Evernote space efficiently. Thanks for tuning in, and happy organizing!